Hi teachers, here we go again. Algebraic fractions. Now if you're going to solve or add or subtract algebraic fractions or algebraic or rational expressions, use the same way, the same method in solving fractions, okay? This is actually application of simple fractions that we studied in elementary. Okay, so there you go. Like for example, in fractions, if you have like 1/2 plus 2, shall I say 3/2. Since they are having the same denominators, we just have to add the numerator. So 1 plus 3/2, just copy denominators, and we have 4/2, and that is 2, right? But if it's not the same, like shall I say 1/2 plus 1/3, or shall I say minus 1/3, just do like this. Multiply that, multiply this, multiply this. Okay, so we have there 3 times 1, that is 3. 2 times 1, that is 2, that's minus because of that minus sign. And then 2 times 3, that is 6. Okay, so 3 minus 2, that's 1/6. There you go. That's it. Just basic fractions. Okay, now in number 1, we have there 4/x plus 5/x, and they have the same denominators now. So we can just have, what's this? 4 plus 5. We can have 4 plus 5, that is 9 over. Just copy the denominator, which is x. Okay, that's it. Next one. Since this one is y and this is x, you just cross multiply them like this. I do it that way, so it's easier actually. So x times 2, that is 2x, and then plus 3y times 3, that is 3y over xy. That's it. We cannot cancel the x and the x here, both x or y and the y, is because there is plus in between. Okay, there you go. Next one, number 3. Now in here, we have there, look at this. We have 2 over x cubed y, okay? And then minus 3 over x squared y 4. Look at that. X here is 3 and then this one is 2, so we need one more x, okay? Multiply it with x, but what you have multiplied here must also be multiplied in the numerator, okay? And then here, since this is y and then this is y4, so we need to multiply it with y3 and y3, right? So they have now the same denominators. So there you go. So 2 times y cubed, that is 2y cubed, plus what? Minus 3x over. Same, we have x3 and y4. There you go. That's it. Okay? When you're multiplying the same bases, you're just going to add the exponents. So that's why here x3, because of this one, 1 and 2. And then this is also 3, so just copy that. And then y3 plus times y1, that is 3 plus 1, or just here y4. Okay, there you go. Next one. Next, x over, okay, there you go. X over x plus 1 plus or minus 2x over x plus 2. Okay, this one, they're not the same because x plus 1 and x plus 2, so just again, like this or like that. So x times x plus 2, so that is like x squared plus 2x, right? Because it's 2x times x squared, and x times 2, that's 2x. And then minus 2x times x, that is 2x squared. Okay? Why we have to put, what's this? Why we have to put parentheses? It is because this negative sign is for the whole numerator, okay? So 2x times x, that is 2x squared, minus, and then 2x times 1, that is plus 2x, okay? There you go. Over. You can just have like x plus 1, just copy them, multiply, that's x plus 2. Next one, x squared plus 2x, copy and then multiply this one and both terms inside the parentheses. So we have there minus 2x squared and minus 2x, right? And then x plus 1 times x plus 2. Okay, there you go. Now we can just combine similar terms. So we have there like x squared minus 2x squared, so that's negative x squared. And then 2x minus 2x, that's 0. And then here, x plus 1. And then x plus 2. There you go. This is now your final answer. Negative x squared plus, over x plus 1 times x plus 2. Okay, last number. Last number. We have there 2x over x squared minus 9 plus 5 over this one. We can factor this one's difference of 2 squared. So we have this one like x squared minus 3 squared, because 9 is 3 squared, okay? So we have there x plus 3, and then this one x minus 3, okay? There you go. And then this one, you can factor this one. What are the factors again? This is x, and factors of 3 that will give you 4 if you're going to add them. So that's 3 and 1. All plus because all of the terms are in addition sign. So we have there x plus 3, and then x plus 3, x plus 1, I'm sorry. Now if you have some problem with the factoring, you can just go over with the factoring video that I did. Okay? Next one. As I told you, those in the denominator, those which are not in the other side must be multiplied, and those here which are not in the other side must also be multiplied. So since here we don't have x plus 1, multiply it with x plus 1, and then also x plus 1. Okay? There you go. Next, here we don't have x minus 3, right? In this part, so we have x minus 3, and then also x minus 3. Now, denominators are now the same. We have x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 3, and then x minus 3. Okay? So there you go. This one is equal to x plus 1, and then x minus 3, and then x plus 3. And then, multiply that, 2x times x, that is 2x squared. And then 2x times 1, that is 2x plus. And then this one plus 5 times x, that's 5x. And then 5 times negative 3, that is minus 15. Okay, so we can combine like terms now. We have there 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 over x plus 1, and then x minus 3, and then x plus 3. Okay, there you go. Any questions? Questions? Okay, there you go, teachers. If you have like clarifications, you can just comment your questions below this video so I could check them. Okay, bye bye. That's all for today.